She wants a small town boy like me. I'm a ride or die, baby. I'm her cool, I'm her crazy, I'm her mother freaking country boy. Hey, what's up? Oh, Lord. All right, man, before this video starts, first and foremost, shout out Jamar. You know who you are. We got a bunch of packages today. Believe it or not, this Fila duffel bag is full of packages. Go and get your money, little duffel bag boy. So you guys know, man, I am the thrift god. Shout out Lil Kinky for giving me that title. It was not self-given. But yeah, I've been ordering a lot of stuff online as of late. So I have just about 1,000,001 packages to open with nothing but vintage heat. And I decided, you know what? I'm trying to start off August right and bless y'all with a lot of vintage content. And I am that guy to do it. So we got a whole lot of packages to get into today. Now you guys may be wondering why I got so many packages. First of all, I look for steals and deals everywhere online, and I want to have my site stocked consistently now that it's updated. My site's thrifttimeandvintage.com, and the link's in the description right now. We have a big drop today, the day you guys are seeing this, and I basically want to source stuff for you guys. So a little bit of this is for the website, some of this is for my personal collection, all of it's fire. So let's go ahead and get into the first package. And sorry if I just blaze through this, but we have a lot of mail, so obviously there's a lot that I would like to share with you guys. So what I don't find all too often are NASCAR tees. So you guys will probably see a bunch of these in today's video, but you have the Tony Stewart, the jacket with all the patches. It's a classic. Shout out Bootsy Badass. Tony Stewart, it's a classic. Believe it or not, Stuart Little was named after Tony Stewart. They just changed the spelling for obviously legal purposes. This piece is very nice. I love all over prints. Okay, so the next parcel we have is in a nice padded flat rate envelope. These guys are $7.55. If you create your own label, they're $8 at the post office. So I recommend these if you guys are shipping stuff like heavier orders. They're free on USPS.com. All right, guys. So this piece is actually crazy. It is a classic banger. I done got me a check. I got a check, y'all, man. It's the forest green Nike pullover. This is so sick. It is a vintage white tag. That all white is that poltergeist. And then it has Nike embroidered on the back. But what's really cool is the differentiation between the black sleeves and the green upper. That's cool. That's hard. All right, so all these things will be dropping this weekend on thrifttimeandvintage.com. So follow the Instagram to Thrift Heaven and follow my Instagram at Mr. Paul Cantu. That's how you guys stay up to date with the latest and greatest. Now, I doubled up on this shirt because I got one for myself, but I also got one for you guys. Is this thing brand new, or did they like put this in their own package? Either way, customer service AF. We have another DeWalt Racing. Shout out to DeWalt Drills, baby. Speaking of drilling, someone said that they want to make love to me. I'm like their cousin or something, and I appreciate that. I'm not Alabamese. That's people from Alabama. I'm from Texas. But for everyone from Alabama, you know, shout out to you guys, man, procreating with your blood relatives. All right, and now I have no subscribers in Alabama. Yeah. Wow, this person really cares about me. And they went all out with the printed envelope. It's nice, it's tropical. Ooh, this piece is nuts. Oh, they have a thank you card in here. Paul, we see you, Thrift God. Thanks for buying your, I'm not gonna say it, bleep tee. We enjoy watching you on YouTube. You make us smile. Reselling Oregon, Dan and Jen M. Yes, you guys would be from the PNW with your old tropical looking forest encrusted envelopes. I love y'all, man. Little thank you sticker on the package. Oh, dude, you guys know I grew up playing soccer since I was the tender age of 4, and this World Cup tee goes off. Yeah, man, I could throw this on. It could go with the fit right now. The color blocking on the sleeves is nuts, dude. Says World Cup USA 94 right here. Oh, it has the logo multicolored. This is an incredible piece. Thank you, Dan and Jim. I think it said Dan. If it's not Dan, F me with a screwdriver. I'm sorry. Shout out that boy Rocco, you dig. Moving on, we got another envelope. I'm not really using Trish today because my fingers can do all the handiwork. God, that was such a pun, dude. Yes. Oh, okay. I creeped on this person's store for a minute. I let their prices go down and then I snapped like a turtle. Look at this. You got the Charlotte Hornets, or as I like to call it, my favorite insect, the Honet tee right here. Incredible colorway, aquaberry all day. Okay, next up, oh yes. I don't know if you guys can see my Elmo right here. Bro, my Elmo is rocking Oshkosh Bagosh overalls, right? He has a Tommy jacket on, and he even has an Elmo backpack on, dude. So yeah, this guy is peddling all types of stuff to the fellow cast members of Sesame Street. But we got a little something for myself. You know, it's like he ain't dead yet, but I know he's out in these streets, in these Muppet streets, in these puppet streets, you know, doing his work. So just in case he dies, I got the Elmo Remembrance tee right here. And yes, he got sneakers on, man. Look at him. He's like, I don't know how to tie these things, Pa. Oh, I'll show you, son. I'll show you. Yeah. I love Elmo, man. Beautiful laugh, beautiful guy. Okay, this person got that meat show envelope going on. They got that blue face envelope. What do we have in here? Oh yes. I actually just found this tee recently, but you got the South Dakota shirt. Oh God, this smells like shit, dude. Like, the reason I sniffed it is because this is like wet. Like, the shirt is damp. It's like their dryer was malfunctioning. I'm gonna leave him an accurate review, bro. Sometimes, you know, you just gotta do that, bro. This shirt stinks and it's wet as hell. Like, guys, never ship something that is wet. Please, like, freaking act like it's a birthday cake, bro. You gotta air dry that thing, dude. You guys are tripping. Unacceptable. Tripping. All right, this person shipped this in a burlap sack, even though this is a paper bag. That actually is smart, very economical, and recyclable. We got another one, dude. Oh, yeah, bruh, yeah. We got that Wolverine tee. You dig, bro. This is dope, man. I just love the huge graphic on it. Man, his hair goals AF. Wolverine. All right, this person took the time to write my address via their hand, so maybe their printer was out of service. But yeah, skirt. Yeah, man, you have the NASCAR little Fastenal. What is Fastenal, dude? I'm not sure, but hey, the colorway goes crazy. It's double-sided, so I'm excited. I'm strong, you got me. Yeah, dude, this is a grail, bro. Like, absolute grail. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got like 10 more packages, guys. And if you guys aren't into the unboxings, then why are you still watching at this point? But since you are, go ahead and smash that like button, dude. It always helps me out when I'm producing this content. Another one, big check, alternate colorway pullover. What I like about this one is, you know, it's white, you know, it's white tag, but I love that back tab right there. This is like that upper neck tramp stamp location. So that's very clean. This is like a slate gray. Oh yes, this shirt, dude. When I got this shirt, I was like, bruh, look at this. It's the eye of the tiger. It's the tripping. You have the Siberian tiger tee. Look how huge this tiger is. Oh my God. It's so big. Next up. Uh-oh, what does this say on it? Oh, it's just labeled. They're organized, dude. I think they had little packs ready. Sliding it out, dude. Ooh. Look at this, man. Vintage changes. It's like the Karate Kid done by Warner Brothers. You have Taz just absorbing a kick from Bugs. Oh man, Bro, this thing is oriental and instrumental. This is crazy. It's 1996. Yeah, this shirt is dope. Bugs is such a vicious guy, dude. And he procreates like a motherfucker. All right, dude. We have a lot more packages, so I'm just gonna do 3 more. And then I guess I'm gonna save the rest for another unboxing. But we got a grail, of course. So I got this dude in a bidding war. This is actually for my personal collection, dude. It is the Nike Air vintage windbreaker. And you guys might be like, okay, it's red, white, and blue, kind of plain Jane on the front. But when you turn it around, look at that booty. I know you guys can't resist peeping. It says Air ginormously, in case you guys have a visual impediment, if you got a sty in your eye, if you're legally blind.
Huh? You can see though, right? I'm legally blind, I can see, barely.
This jacket got you, bro. There's no way you're missing what this says. Oh man, this is a crisper right here, a honey chipotle chicken crisper. Wow, delicious. All right, so the next 2 packages, let's hope they are absolute firestorms. I told you I was going crazy. You got another Tony Stewart tee. This thing is dope though because it's like blue on one side, kind of like heavenly icy, and then it's fire on the other. So this is like an icy hot patch for your whole torso. It is heat. Shout out Bass Pro Shops with the fishes that get you. Hella bitches logo. All right, it's the final countdown. The last t-shirt we got right here. Oh yes, dude. It's that Roadhog tee, baby. Look at this, man. Taz and Bugs aren't fighting anymore. They're friends. So I guess, you know, they were just sparring. Just a heated sparring match between 2 best buds. You got the front and back side print all up on this 1993, man. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this little unboxing. I know it's not necessarily the same thrill of the hunt as when I'm live in the trenches, but still, man, I just got to share a lot of things that are going to be hitting the site and show y'all guys how I hustle, I guess, through the interwebs as well. Speaking of which, if you guys are trying to let off any gear and live in Houston, DM me. If you guys are trying to sell stuff, DM me in bulk, and I'm not trying to pay no full-blown retail. You guys already know, man, I'm a cheapskate, low-key, but high-key, I also can bless you guys with some money if you guys are trying to get rid of some stuff that's not necessarily a grail to you. It could be a grail to me or someone else. So I'm just trying to pass on the flame and fatten your pockets. Anyways, man, I love y'all. If you guys want to see me in person, I got a pop-up September 15th. All the info's in the description down below. I love y'all, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. It does a lot for me with just a couple little clicks. I'm out this bitch. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.